Hey, good day, team. Please sit down with me for a moment. So before we step out on that playing field out there, I want to talk about something more important than your individual stats. Who have the most runs, the most hits, and others. More important than wins. More important than any individual achievement. And that is the strength of our team. Always remember, baseball isn't just a game of individual skills. It's a game of trust, communication, and commitment. Baseball isn't just about swinging bats and catching balls. It's about resilience, grit, and unwavering belief that we are built for greatness. It's a game where nine players move as one, where every pitch, every swing, every play connects us. We build this team not just through practices and drills, but through respect, accountability, and belief in each other. We lift each other up when we struggle. We celebrate each other's victories. And most importantly, we never let anyone stand alone. I want you to bear this word in mind always, and that is the word team. Together, everyone achieves more. So a team is more than individuals wearing the same jersey. It's a brotherhood and, of course, a family. And family has each other's backs. Family fights through the hard times and celebrate the good ones. And family never lets one person carry the weight alone. Okay, guys, I want you also to communicate when you are in the field because communication is our weapon. I want you to talk, listen, adjust, trust each other. Trust that someone will be there when we you fall. Okay, we don't play as individual players. We move as one unit, one heartbeat. I want also to talk about leadership. Okay, leadership isn't just about being who has the loudest voice or hitting the hardest. It's about leading by example, showing up every day with the right attitude, pushing through challenges, and inspiring the person next to you. Every single one of you is a great leader on this field. When you step up, when you give your best, when you encourage the players beside you, that's leadership. That's what fuels our winning team. And I believe that will be our team. Next is our culture because the best teams aren't just skillful, they are connected to each other. A championship team isn't built in a day, it's built in the moments we share, the trust we build, the respect we show. It's built in the way we handle adversity. Okay, so in the way we pick each other up after a tough loss, and in the way we play for each other, not just for ourselves. So today, I want to challenge you. I want you to commit to this team, not just to winning, but to each other. Because when we play as one, when we trust each other, when we fight for every inning together, there is no team out there that can stop us. Let's go out there, play and win the game we love together. Let's go and play it our way. God bless and good luck to our team.